Picture this. You're sitting across from someone, and suddenly your heart starts racing. Your palms get sweaty. You can't stop smiling. Sound familiar? Well, welcome to PsycKeys, where we're about to unravel one of life's greatest mysteries: why men fall in love. Now, I know what you're thinking. Oh great, another video about how men only care about looks. But hold on to your seats, because we're about to flip that script entirely. Today, we're diving deep into the male psyche, and trust me, it's a lot more complex and a lot more fascinating than most people realize. We've all heard the stereotypes, right? Men are simple creatures, only interested in physical attraction. But here's the thing, science tells us a completely different story, and that's exactly what we're exploring today. In the next few minutes, we're going to uncover 5 surprising reasons why men fall in love. And let me tell you, some of these might just change the way you think about relationships forever. Whether you're a man trying to understand your own heart, or someone trying to figure out what makes the men in your life tick, this video is for you. So, are you ready to challenge everything you thought you knew about male attraction? Let's dive in and unlock the secrets of the male heart. Contrary to popular belief, men aren't just visual creatures. They crave emotional intimacy just as much as women do. When a man feels truly understood and accepted, it creates a powerful bond that can quickly turn into love. Think about those late-night conversations where you're sharing your deepest fears and wildest dreams. That vulnerability? It's like catnip for the male brain. Studies have shown that men who feel emotionally connected to their partners have higher levels of oxytocin, often called the love hormone. But here's where it gets really interesting. Men often struggle to express their need for emotional connection. Society's expectations of masculinity can make it challenging for men to open up. This is why creating a safe, judgment-free space is crucial. Dr. Brené Brown, a renowned researcher on vulnerability, found that men who allow themselves to be vulnerable report stronger, more satisfying relationships. So, how can you foster this? Try this. Next time you're with someone special, practice active listening. When he's sharing something important, put away distractions, maintain eye contact, and ask thoughtful follow-up questions. This shows you're truly engaged and care about his inner world. Remember, emotional connection isn't just about serious talks. It's also about sharing joys, celebrating small victories, and being there during tough times. When a man feels he can be his authentic self with you, that's when the magic happens. Now, we've all heard that men love the chase, right? Well, it's not quite that simple. What men really love is feeling desired and appreciated. Imagine you're at a party and you notice someone keeps glancing your way, smiling. That little ego boost, it's incredibly attractive. But here's the twist. Men also want to feel secure in the relationship. It's a delicate balance between challenge and reassurance. Dr. John Gottman, a renowned relationship expert, found that successful couples have a 5-to-1 ratio of positive to negative interactions. So while a little playful tension can be exciting, it's the consistent positive reinforcement that really makes a man fall head over heels. But let's dig deeper. The chase isn't about playing hard to get. It's about maintaining your own identity and passions. Men are attracted to partners who have their own lives, interests, and goals. This creates a healthy interdependence rather than codependence. Here's a mind-blowing fact. Studies show that couples who pursue individual hobbies and maintain separate friendships actually report higher levels of relationship satisfaction. Why? Because it keeps the relationship fresh and gives you both interesting experiences to share. So, instead of playing games, focus on building a full, exciting life. Your enthusiasm and passion will be magnetic, and it'll give you both space to miss and appreciate each other. Shared laughter, the secret language of love. Ever noticed how some couples seem to have their own private jokes? That's not just cute, it's actually a powerful bonding mechanism. Laughter releases endorphins, creating a shared positive experience that the brain associates with the person you're with. A study published in the journal Personal Relationships found that couples who laugh together report higher relationship satisfaction. But here's the kicker. It's not just about finding someone funny. It's about creating those moments of shared joy and inside jokes that become part of your unique story together. Let's break this down further. Laughter does several amazing things in a relationship. It reduces stress. When you laugh together, you're literally helping each other's bodies release tension. It creates shared memories. Those you had to be there moments. They're relationship gold. It builds resilience. Couples who can laugh together during tough times are more likely to stay together. It fosters intimacy. Shared laughter creates a sense of us against the world. Here's something fascinating. Research shows that women tend to prefer men who can make them laugh, while men are attracted to women who laugh at their jokes. This isn't about one person always being the comedian, though. It's about creating a playful, light-hearted dynamic together. Try this. Next time you're with someone you care about, share a funny story from your day or reminisce about a hilarious shared experience. Notice how it brings you closer. And remember, it's not about forcing laughter. It's about cultivating joy and playfulness in your interactions. The admiration factor, seeing his best self. Here's a truth bomb. Men fall in love with women who make them feel like the best version of themselves. It's not about stroking his ego. It's about genuinely recognizing and appreciating his positive qualities. Psychologist Dr. Gottman calls this turning towards instead of turning away. When you show genuine interest in his passions, celebrate his achievements, and encourage his growth, you're not just being supportive, you're creating an environment where love can flourish. But let's dive deeper. This isn't about blind praise. It's about seeing his potential and encouraging him to reach it. It's about being his biggest cheerleader and his gentle reality check when needed. Here's where it gets really interesting. Studies show that people who feel admired by their partners are more likely to engage in self-improvement behaviors. In other words, your belief in him can actually help him become a better version of himself. This admiration needs to be specific and genuine. Instead of a generic, "you're great," try, "I really admire how you handled that difficult situation at work. Your problem-solving skills are impressive." But it's not just about verbal admiration. Actions speak louder than words. When you make an effort to understand and engage with his interests, even if they're not your cup of tea, it shows a deep level of respect and appreciation. Here's a challenge. This week, try to catch your partner, or someone you're interested in, doing something admirable every day. It could be big or small. Share your observation with them. Watch how it lights them up and strengthens your bond. Physical touch, more than just attraction. Let's talk about touch, but not in the way you might expect. While physical attraction is important, it's the non-sexual touches that often create the deepest bonds. A study from the University of California, Berkeley, found that teams that celebrated with touch, high fives, pats on the back, performed better than those that didn't. This translates to relationships too. Simple gestures like holding hands, a reassuring pat on the arm, or a spontaneous hug release oxytocin, strengthening the emotional bond. But here's the fascinating part. The effect is even stronger for men. Because men often receive less platonic physical affection in their daily lives, these touches from a romantic partner become even more meaningful. Let's break down the science. Touch lowers cortisol levels, reducing stress. It increases oxytocin, promoting bonding and trust. It can even boost the immune system. But it's not just about the physiological effects. Touch is a powerful form of nonverbal communication. A gentle touch can convey support, comfort, desire, or playfulness, often more effectively than words. Here's something to ponder. In our increasingly digital world, many people are touch-starved. This makes physical affection in romantic relationships even more crucial. Try this. Create a touch ritual with your partner. It could be a special handshake, a brief shoulder massage when you greet each other after work, or simply holding hands while watching TV. Consistency is key. Make it a daily habit. Remember, everyone has different comfort levels with touch. Communication is crucial. Talk openly about what types of touch feel good and create that sense of connection for both of you. So there you have it, folks. 5 surprising reasons why men fall in love. From emotional connection to shared laughter, from feeling admired to the power of touch, it's clear that love is a complex dance of psychology and chemistry. Here's your challenge. Pick one of these insights and consciously apply it in your relationships this week. Whether you're in a long-term partnership or just starting to date, see how it impacts your connection. Remember, understanding these psychological factors doesn't mean manipulating someone's feelings. It's about creating an environment where genuine love and connection can flourish naturally. Thanks for joining us on this journey into the male psyche. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to PsycKeys for more mind-blowing insights into human behavior and relationships. We want to hear from you. Drop a comment below sharing which of these reasons surprised you the most, or tell us about your own experiences with love and attraction. Until next time, keep exploring the fascinating world of psychology, and remember, understanding yourself and others is the key to deeper, more fulfilling relationships. See you in the next video.